Come and play exciting minigames with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! What a beautiful day on your very own Island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. I, Thomas, promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to... That's perfect! That was amazing! We all love your train set. Let's go find that toy! Excellent! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Super awesome! That's perfect! Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. That's the way. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Oops, let's have another go. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. That's the way. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left, good job! Let's get this back on track. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Well done! Excellent! That was a blast!
All my friends want to help too, so make sure you change engines often. Where to now? Right leads to the roll. The rolling bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. That's the way. We're always happy to help. It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. I love that. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Excellent! That was off the rails! With a beam of light. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to... Right leads to the tunnel. The tunnel is nearby. Right leads to... Forward leads to the town. Left leads to the boulder cliff. We're near the pig farm. Let's go. Where to now? Forward leads to the pig farm. That's the way. Just slice or tap it to open. Left leads to the water slide. Right leads to the tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Good job! Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Thanks for helping out! This is your toy collection. Here you can see all the toys you've placed in your train set and all the ones that are left to get. Which way do you want to go? Right. Right leads to McCall's farm. McCall's farm is coming up. Good job! Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Well done! We all love your train set. Which toy? It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Good job! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Shoot! Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Where to now? Forward leads to... Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Just spin the wheel to rotate the track. Great! 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 Thanks a lot for your help. Let's go find that toy! Which way do you want to go? To Brendam Docks! Let's go! Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. That's perfect! Good job! Good job! We all love your train set. Shoot! The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to... We're near the pig farm. Let's go. Right leads to... The boulder... We're near the pig farm. Let's go. Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? That's perfect! Whoa! We're always happy to help.